Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. It's me, Max, coming up with the next item to unbox. This time we're unboxing Jordan 4s, I believe. Let's take a look at them. Let's see how they look like. I'm so glad that they arrived. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Got the scissors, let's unbox it. And another box, so let's get through it. Hopefully it's the last one. Yes, here it is, the last box. And as you can see, here we've got our shoes. These are the Jordan 4 Retro in this size, 26.5 centimeters, US 8.5, white fire. This is the Oreo white color. Here's the styling code and everything, so you've got everything in here. And yes, let's take a look at the shoes. So let's see. Oh wow, here's the box. This is how it looks like, the side, this side, Air Jordan logo, this side as well, and also the back. And on here, it looks like this. So let's begin unboxing. Wow. The box is very sturdy, it's so nice, so sturdy, good looking box. And here they are, our beautiful Jordan 4s in a white, pristine looking white color. And oh my god, this is gonna be one of my best Jordan 4 combination. It looks just magnificent. I love the white color and everything. It looks so beautiful. And here is the next pair. So this is what it all looks like. You've got all the details like DM logo over here, so that's nice. The box is complete. Everything just looks marvelous. So taking a look at the shoes, this is how the side of our Jordans look like. And as you can see, they look just magnificent. Yeah, honestly, I would say this is the best looking Jordan 4 combination that is out there. It looks just nice. I just love the leather. Everything looks to be just top-notch quality. I see no defects whatsoever when it comes to this. The inner part, just take a look at it. It's so beautiful, mate. I love it. And this red logo over here does make a difference. It looks so good, mate. All the leather finish is just on point. I like it a lot. Just look at it. So besides this leather, we also have the mesh like on the Jordans. Just take a look at this mesh, how it all looks like. It's just so on point, it looks so great. Let's also take a look at our toe. Does it pop out? Yes, it does. Takes a little bit of a time, but yes, it does pop out. Take a look at the stitching on the top of the shoe. No defects, no any failures when it comes to our stitching. It looks so good, so nice. Take a look at the colors of the materials of the paint going across the shoe and the sole. Looks nice as well. The back of the shoe, the air bubble, the front of the shoe, the back of the shoe. No defects, no failures with painting or anything like this. The sole is very sticky. For all the basketball players, these shoes are just magnificent. Okay, so that's it as for the left pair. Let's take a look at the right pair. Let's see if it's consistent with the design and everything and the build quality. So yeah, the inner part looks like this. I see no defects whatsoever. Just take a look at them. They look nice, so beautiful. The back of the shoe, have a glance. The side of the shoe, this side will be seen the most. Looks good. The mesh looks great as well. No complaints about this. The front of the shoe, you've got a stitching going across here. The tongue of the shoe with the Jordan logo, air bubble and everything. The sole looks the same. You have this beautiful white sole going across the shoes and there are no defects whatsoever. Just the top-notch quality. As you can see, the pattern is just consistent. There are no flaws and downs when it comes to the stars. Looks just great. Let's also have a look at the inner part of the shoes. So we've got this material right over here. It's really comfy, really nice. And yes, we have our Air Jordan signature over here. And on the inner part, we also have the QR code and everything was needed. US 8.5. Okay, so that's it. Let's wear them. Let's see how they look like on my feet. Jest fajnie pokazane?
No jest.
Okay folks, and that's it as for today's video. Like always, you have the link down in the description to purchase these shoes. They're really attractive and I think that the quality is just amazing, so you definitely don't want to miss out on them. Get the Jordan 4s in Oreo white color. It's just a magnificent pair of shoes. If you want the other models, you will also find them on Uashoe website. As you can see, they have a ton of different models to choose from. So basically everyone will choose the model they like. You've got all the pictures of the shoes on their website. You can just take a look at them if you want to. And you've got a price and you can just order them in a size, the one you want to. So it's so simple and so easy to just purchase from Uashoe, which I highly recommend you guys doing. And yeah, that's it as for today's video. See you in the next one. Bye.